So it seems like a lot of people were making a lot of money in 2025. We saw how the stock market has just exploded, chatbots everywhere and AI agents, e-commerce stores using shop assistants. There's just so much good stuff going on when it comes to innovation, technology, and AI. And here's the thing, a lot of us consumers and everyday people make ChatGPT as part of their lives. They might be using it as planners, they might be using it as therapists, whatever, but the fact is that a lot of people are now turning to ChatGPT. So what I'm trying to say is there's just opportunity everywhere, but if you're anything like all the people that I speak to in my community, you might be overwhelmed with where to start. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can finally dip your toe into AI and start making money in 2026. Let's dive in. The first thing I want to tell you is that you don't need to be some sort of tech expert or computer scientist to be able to figure this stuff out. It's a real paradox, right? Because you actually have the tech to help you solve the tech problems, okay? You're probably aware that some of the hardest hit industries are the coders, are the computer scientists, right? Because ChatGPT replaces their jobs basically, which means that people like you and me can get started without any tech skills. You know, yeah, it's going to take a little bit of figuring out, but if you are able to kind of overcome some of these hurdles and actually put a bit of time and effort into it, it means that you can get past any kind of tech hurdle, which is really good news. The way I look at it and the way that I've had success in business is that all I do is I look for problems in businesses, i.e. my clients or in my students' businesses, and I help them solve that problem. So if you're able to have that inquisitive approach and ask questions and find out where the problems are, there's gonna be an AI solution for it in this day and age. And here's the thing, I also give you permission to start this messy, all right? I know that sounds counterintuitive, but anytime you start a side hustle or a new business, it gets messy, right? You're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna go down the wrong path, you're gonna mess up, you're gonna cause problems for yourselves and your clients, and you're gonna have to apologize. You make mistakes, okay? And that's absolutely okay, because that's how you learn. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it, all right? So it does take a little bit of a messiness, but once you overcome these hurdles early on, you're able to kind of accelerate, but not many people are willing to get past that initial stage. And making money with AI is actually very low risk because the operational costs of running ChatGPT and AI solutions are actually really, really tiny. So your cost to get started and your cost to, make these mistakes or, have these successes are really, really low. So you can afford to make these mistakes and get messy. So how can you actually make money with AI in 2026? I'm going to keep this dead simple and tell you exactly what I'm seeing that's making money right now. Number one is database reactivation with AI and SMS. Number two is voice AI. And number three is speed to lead with SMS and AI. So what are they? Database reactivation is very simple. You approach a business, you ask if they have any old leads. And if they do have old leads, then you can turn them into appointments and therefore sales using AI and SMS. Voice AI is pretty self-explanatory. You might have tried to book into your med spa or to your hairdresser. You've made a phone call in, they don't pick up the phone, and then you go to the next med spa or the next hairdresser, okay? Voice AI completely solves this problem. It not only saves money because you don't have to have that receptionist on the phone all the time, it makes them more money because they're not missing those sales opportunities I just explained. And speed to lead is a huge opportunity. Leads are the lifeblood of any business, right? And if clients aren't getting back to those leads quickly, they lose that opportunity, okay? Using AI to get to those leads quickly and then pass them off to a human is a really clever and very profitable way to use AI. So this video here shows you exactly how you can get started for free. So if I had to start right now, I'd watch this video, which is called the Prince Charming Challenge, or I'd buy this book called The Instant AI Agency. I'd open up my phone and I'd go through all of my contacts and find anyone that's a business owner or anyone that knows a business owner, okay? And I've got so many contacts in my phone that there's just gonna be a lot of opportunity there, okay? And that includes reaching out to friends and family and siblings and whatever it takes. It depends how much you want this. And if they're a business owner, I'd reach out to them and say, listen, do you have any old leads that you've given up on that we can try and turn into sales for you on a performance basis using AI and SMS? There's no risk. We only get paid when you get paid. Have you got any old leads? Then I would literally follow the steps in my training, either in the Prince Charming Challenge or inside this book. It's very, very simple to understand and simple to follow. And as I said, you don't need any tech skills. You download my plug and play system. Again, it's free. And once you start with these clients, once you start the SMS and you watch AI converting those leads into sales and appointments, you'll be making money on autopilot. I promise you it's that easy. It really is as simple as that. In my highest level training, I get people to pull out their phone and go through their contacts and find business owners, okay? The big problem I see for people trying to help clients or help businesses is they go after the businesses they don't know, the cold ones, because they haven't quite got the inner belief, the self-belief to reach out to the people they actually know that own businesses. It's really frustrating because people are doing things the wrong way around, okay? And the good news is that AI does all of the work, right? Once you get it set up, AI does the delivery, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons why people fail to reach out to the businesses they know. And from my experience, when you reach out to a business and say, have you got any old leads we can turn into sales using AI and SMS on a performance basis, which means that if you don't get paid, we don't get paid, it very rarely turns into a no, which means you've got a lot of opportunity sitting right in your phone contacts right now. So it's a new year. I don't want you to get left behind. Try sending that message to contacts on your phone and see how many conversations you can start with businesses. And if you want to learn exactly how to do this step by step, comment book below and I'll send you a digital copy of my book.